Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you reset a Verizon router after a power outage. So here's a step for your DHCP release, ONT, and reboot. Method 1. Restart the router, which is the most recommended one. Before performing a factory reset, try a simple restart. Unplug the router's power cable, wait for 30 to 60 seconds, plug the power cable back in. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the router to fully boot up. Check that the power, internet, and Wi Fi lights are solid. Method 2. Factory reset the router. If restarting doesn't fix the problem, you need to perform a factory reset. Keep the router powered on. Locate the reset button on the back of the router. Press and hold the button with a paper clip for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the router to restart. Check the internet connection. After the router restarts, you need to connect the device to the Wi Fi network or with an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and verify that you can access websites. If the internet is still available, check that all cables are securely connected between the router and the ONT, which is the optical network terminal. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.